Archie's always really been into music, so it just sort of made sense to come to a place like this.
The Lil Rockstar program is training the next generation of rock stars.
I love seeing the little kids have like a little bit of a desire or passion to pick up an instrument. Today there was one little boy that just wouldn't put down the guitar, which I thought was really fun to watch because you never know, he could be the next Jimi Hendrix.
People coming from all over the place to come and experience an event at our space where they're going to be doing something that's totally unique.
Kids have played drums, electric guitars, they've been rock stars.
It was just great to see all the little kids just have so much fun on all the instruments.
We normally have in the Little Rockstars program kids from 3 to about, I'd say 11 or 12. Smaller kids will do more percussion-based activities where we can get them in a circle and we can get them playing tambourines and maracas and bongos. For the older kids we do some different kind of activities which is more suited to their age bracket.
It's a real music studio where we teach music lessons. So when you walk up the stairs you see AC/DC, Led Zeppelin.
It was just really good that the kids could just have fun and let loose.
I think it's one of those things that's really important that kids are educated about rock and roll music.